everybody, I hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the app drawer, a feature commonly known from Android. And basically what it does is it lets you view every single one of your apps, whether you have them in folders or they are hidden. Pretty much any type of app or file or anything, it can be seen in a whole screen. So like all you have to do is just swipe. You don't have to have several pages to view your apps from. It's just a simple scrolling page and you can view all your files and everything. And it's really simple to get on an iPhone, and that's what I'm going to be showing you here today. But just as usual, make sure that you go check out the description for all the links used in this video. So it's fast, simple, and easy for you to keep up. But other than that, what you want to do is make your way over to the website in the description, which it is called Apple Addict. So once you make your way over there, you'll get this type of look, and then you will see at the very top app drawer, and you want to click view, and that's going to bring you to an ad fly page, which what you're going to do once you're there is just wait 5 seconds, and then you can head on to the rest of the process. So right here, after you click the button that says click to install, that's when it's going to bring you to the ad fly page like I was talking about. Again, you're going to wait 5 seconds, and then once it's down to 0, you're going to click skip ad. It's going to bring you to a completely different page of Apple Addicts, and then it's going to prompt you to install an iPhone profile, which will allow you to get this feature. And once you click allow, it'll bring you here. Just click in the top right, install, and then if you have a passcode, enter your passcode, and then once you've done that, at the very bottom, it will prompt you again and click install. And since I have already installed it, it won't let me do it, but that's what you're gonna do. And then after it says install, it will prompt you again up here to click done. And then once you've done that, you can head home, scroll over until you find it, and if you can't find it, in my case, then just head back into the thing, enter your passcode, click install, and then like I was talking about, click done, and now it will let you continue on the process. So now you can hit home, and right now you see there is a new app on your home page, this purple like app. Go ahead and click into that, and now you have to sign up or create an account, and I already have one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in to mine. Once you've done all that, it will redirect you to the actual app, and you have 4 apps right here. One is Swifty, the second one is Apple Addict, which is the guy who made this, his Twitter and his website and all that. You have settings, and then you have all apps. I'm gonna go ahead and click all apps, and as you can see, I can simply scroll and see every single one of my apps. No struggle. And basically that's it. And it organizes it from stock apps to user installed apps to user or third party installed apps. That would mean Tutu, Tweakbox, things like that, AppScovery. But other than that, that's this video. for today, and I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure that you press that like button, subscribe, and comment. As always, peace out.